Alright, this video is on the Taylor and Fenn Company, Hartford, Connecticut, USA. These were made between 1910 1920. It's a stand-up model. It's probably 6 foot tall to the top of that shaft. The recoil works by a weight, or you know what I mean, to send the drill back to the top. It's all gear driven. Solid cast. This drip tray was oil. Oil would be on this as you're drilling, come around here and then go down back into the pump. But I don't have that. Back here's where you shift the gears. Look at that big motor. The Hobart. I mean, it's got oilers under the caps. You can oil it there. You lift these to oil it. This is, you move this to change. Can't do it with like that. That takes it down. I mean, that's barely spinning. That one's neutral. That one's real fast. And then this one is just a little faster. So it's got 3 speeds. There's a tag of some kind. What ain't a tag? Oil, gears, daily. This is where the switch was. But look at how solid that is. If they built something like that today, it'd cost $5,000, probably more. And these only sold for like $36, I think is what I seen in the ad. All right, thanks for watching.